Keller Williams Realty Las Vegas, it's done so much for me over the years, but I would say the most important thing it's done is it's really helped me become a better leader. There's an environment here where you just plug in, and Debbie and Patty, they just help you level up your leadership. And that's what I love most about being here.
The culture has helped me be a better agent and a better team player with everyone here in the office.
You know, after 20 years in the business, I've joined Keller Williams Las Vegas a couple of years ago. The support that they provide has really put me in a great position to continue to grow my business and become better at my craft.
Keller Williams Las Vegas has helped me become personally, it's given me more time to spend with my family, and to do more family things, because in the past I wasn't allotted that. It's allowed me to do those things, and I'm happy about it.
It has a lot of culture, so it's actually helped me to collaborate with other agents and whatnot and share ideas. So masterminding is something that really has opened up nowadays that I've came to this office.
The best version of myself professionally.
Connected.
Intentional with everything that I do in business and in life.
Better woman.
I'm a luxury real estate agent.
An overall business owner.
I'm the person that I told myself I wanted to be last year.
I'm a part of a family that helps each other grow both professionally and personally.
It's helped me become more of a leader, especially for my team.
The sky's the limit, and I think it has everything to do with who you're involved with and how you are involved with them.
It's helped me become just a better all-around person, to be able to reach my full potential. I'm a better mother, better businesswoman, better friend.
One of the things at KW Las Vegas is I think there's a big opportunity because it's not just real estate, it's so much more. It's kind of about who you become. And I relate it to a sunrise or a sunset. Like you see this magnificent sunset and it's so spectacular, but when you take a picture, you can't possibly capture it. It's kind of like you have to live in it and feel it and experience it to be able to get it. It's pretty magical.